Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
秋
Please watch my accurate pronunciation.
秋其优秋秋秋天秋天秋天天气很凉爽，秋天天气很凉爽，秋雨秋雨，昨晚下了一场秋雨。昨晚下了一场秋雨。秋季秋季秋季是我喜欢的季节。秋季是我喜欢的季节。
Let's take a look at how to write this character today. The left part should be a bit narrower to leave space for the right part. This character means autumn. In traditional Chinese culture, autumn represents harvest, maturity, and abundance, and it is the season when grains ripen and all things yield fruits. Leaves wither and fall in autumn. Sometimes, this character is also used to express feelings of longing and sorrow of separation. These two strokes are the key to writing this character well. Practice more and you will learn it well. That's all for today.